When we started this series, sports analytics was about decisions. Now it's about ecosystems. The next decade won't just measure what happens, it will simulate what's possible. Welcome to the future of sports analytics, where human performance, AI, and business strategy merge into one living model. The past decade was about data collection, GPS trackers, stats, wearables. The next one is about integration, connecting every source into a single adaptive system. Think of it as moving from having data to thinking with data. We're entering the era of sports intelligence systems. Scouting once relied on gut and tape. Now AI models scan thousands of players worldwide, comparing speed curves, shot accuracy, and physiological patterns. These systems find talent that might have gone unnoticed, the hidden gem in a small club halfway across the world. The next Messi won't just be spotted, he'll be detected. Digital twin technology builds a virtual replica of an athlete, biomechanical, physiological, even psychological. Coaches can simulate training loads, test strategies, and predict fatigue before players hit the field. It's like having a parallel universe to experiment in, without the risk. On the sideline of the future, coaches won't hold clipboards. They'll hold command centers. Dashboards already integrate win probability, player load, and live video feeds. Next generation systems will use predictive play calling, recommending optimal moves based on game state and opponent models. The game plan will adapt itself. Fans won't just watch, they'll interact. AR overlays, live stats in smart glasses, personalized feeds synced to fantasy teams. Every seat becomes a dashboard. Analytics is moving from the back office to the bleachers, where data doesn't just explain the game, it enhances it. The next big revolution isn't athletic, it's financial. Blockchain-enabled contracts will allow micro-investments in player performance. Dynamic NFTs may represent game moments tied to live data. AI-based ticketing will predict optimal pricing weeks in advance. Sports economics will operate at algorithmic speed. With great foresight comes great responsibility. Predictive analytics raises new ethical questions. Can a team bench a player because their fatigue model predicts injury risk? Should betting markets have access to the same predictive feeds as teams? The challenge ahead isn't just what we can model, it's what we should. The more data we collect, the more we rediscover the human factor. Analytics can guide, but it can't inspire. Models can forecast, but they can't lead. The teams that thrive will be those that blend machine intelligence with human intuition, turning analytics from a tool into a teammate. This series began with numbers and ended with meaning. Analytics isn't replacing the game. It's helping us understand it more deeply. Because at its core, sports analytics isn't about machines or data or dashboards. It's about curiosity, the human drive to see what others can't, and that's the future. Smarter, faster, fairer is infinitely more fascinating.